Hello everyone. With Windows 10 support ending on October 14th, 2025, many of you will be forced to consider alternatives. But if you're using an older system or want to get more out of your PC, switching to a new system might be the perfect solution. Today, we'll explore why Ubuntu is a great choice, especially for older hardware, and how it can help you extend the life of your device. Windows 10 support officially ends on October 14th, 2025. After that date, Microsoft will no longer provide updates or security patches for Windows 10. This means that staying on Windows 10 could leave your system vulnerable to security risks and compatibility issues with new software. So, what can you do? If your hardware doesn't meet the requirements for Windows 11, it might be time to consider alternative operating systems. One of the best options is Ubuntu. It's lightweight, free, and secure, making it an ideal choice for users with older computers. Plus, it's easy to use and offers a smooth experience on lower-end hardware. One of the main reasons people switch to Ubuntu is the improved performance. Because Ubuntu is less resource-intensive than Windows, it runs faster and smoother on older hardware. This is especially noticeable on PCs with limited RAM and processing power. And if you're using an SSD, Ubuntu will make it run even better. Ubuntu is more than just a system for old computers. It's a secure, customizable, and easy-to-use operating system. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, Ubuntu can be tailored to meet your needs. Plus, it's updated regularly with new features, performance improvements, and security patches, ensuring your system stays up to date. Ubuntu doesn't come with any bloatware, meaning your system stays clean and you have full control over what's installed. With a vast community of users and developers, you can find support for almost any issue. And if you're into open-source software, Ubuntu gives you access to thousands of apps and tools that are free to use. Some people think Linux is only for programmers, but that's far from true. You can play games on Ubuntu, and many platforms like Steam now offer native support for it. In fact, many games run better on Linux thanks to the OS's lower resource usage. If you're into gaming, don't worry. Ubuntu supports games like Dota 2, Counter-Strike, The Witcher 3, and much more. Ubuntu is optimized for gaming and can even give you a performance boost over Windows when playing on older hardware. And if there's a Windows-only game you want to play, you can use Wine, a compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on Ubuntu. So, you don't have to leave your games behind when switching to Linux. Not ready to fully give up Windows? No problem. You can set up a dual boot system, which allows you to install both Ubuntu and Windows on the same PC. This means you can choose which operating system to use when you boot up your computer, depending on your needs. It's a great way to transition without completely leaving Windows behind. Now that you know why Ubuntu is a great alternative to Windows 10, I encourage you to give it a try. In my next video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu on your PC and set up dual booting. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated and learn how to make the switch to Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.